Alright, we're over here on the Mack, and I've been playing with wires all morning long. But the good news is we have parking lights, headlights, tail lights, except for turn signals in the back. We don't have turn signals in the back yet. And we will have brake lights as soon as I wire the brake light switch up. We have left turn signal, right turn signal, and high beams. Can I get both of those in the picture? High beams, low beams, high beams, low beams. But it's still a mess. So I'm going to get Zip Tie Happy and Snip Happy. I'm going to start snipping away a bunch of unnecessary stuff and zip tying the rest of it up. So zippity doo dah or snippity doo dah. Which one? I don't know. Okay, so I got to show you guys this. While snipping away at the wiring harness, I snipped this little module out right here. It says that it's a restraints control module. It was under the driver's seat of the ambulance, and I just figured it had something to do with restraints, you know, seat belts. But I went to crank this thing, no starter. And then on the console, there's a light right there that's got a picture of a lock on it. So that is the, right there in this bug. Anti-theft system flashes when the Secure-Lock passive anti-theft system has been activated. So that light was flashing, that little emblem right there flashing. So by cutting that loose, I activated the anti-theft system. So I didn't really know for sure, but I knew that's the only thing I did different, so I went back and wired it all back in there. Now I got to go back and put some solid connections on all those about 20 different wires, just so this beast will crank. Funsy, onesie. Alright, so we added another tail light back here. That solved our problem with the brake light canceling out the turn signal light. Those trailer lights just aren't made to function properly with the way these newer Fords, or newer most anything, are wired. So we added another section, and that'll be fine, because once we put the wood bed on here, it will be wide enough to cover that. So we got, let's see, it's got the wiring all tucked up, snipped up, as you can see. It's really looking pretty good in here. I got a guy next week that's going to build a custom floor pan and cowl around the engine. So that'll be sweet. We got our cell panels back in. We got all the brackets and wires snipped and tucked away under here really nice. Got this panel in on this side, and got all the wires snipped away and tied up. everywhere. Yeah, just coming along. Really coming along. So I'm gonna take a week off of it and go work at my house, my shop, and we'll get back on it, probably build the bed in a week or so, a couple weeks from now. Thanks for watching.